Hey guys, today we want to go over the top 5 problems on the 5th Gen Dodge Grand Caravan. Let's start by discussing premature brake wear. Numerous owners have reported that compared to previous cars they have owned, they have to replace the brakes on this one more frequently. Some claim that undersized brakes require replacement once, twice, or even 3 times in a single year. It's possible to detect heat emanating from the brakes, a strong odor, or your brakes running hot. You may feel vibrations in your seat or on the steering wheel while you are driving. A high-pitched brake squeal is an additional symptom that may point to smooth friction surfaces or worn brakes. Chrysler chose to manufacture brakes in a specific size, but larger brakes would have been more appropriate for towing or hauling. To help dissipate heat and keep you safe while driving, some auto stores offer a brake kit with drilled and slotted rotors. The next item on the list is a totally integrated power module, or TIPM. It's located under the hood. This module powers different parts of the car with relays and fuses. Moisture can enter the vehicle and damage the circuit boards, leading to problems like windows that move up and down, wipers and horns that turn on by themselves, or problems with the car not starting. To remedy this, look for discoloration on each fuse and corrosion in the box. Should that fail, you may require a dealer refresh or have the TIPM unit completely replaced with new fuses and relays. The oil filter housing, which is located on the passenger side under the hood, is the third problem. Occasionally, individuals over-tighten the oil filter, shattering the plastic housing. Pressure problems and oil leaks may result from this. Replacing the oil filter housing is the solution, and you should make sure you torque everything to the manufacturer's specifications. Torque the oil filter to 25 Nm before replacing it. The left rear automatic sliding door module is another issue. This door's automatic mechanism frequently malfunctions, failing to close, open all the way, or operate at all. Verify that power is flowing where it should be and look for any track problems. Should everything appear to be in order but it's still not functioning, the module may need to be changed. Let's talk about the transmission last. Even though the transmission is usually dependable, there is a retainer inside that can malfunction and result in harsh shifting or delays. A bump when changing from park to reverse or vice versa, or a hard shift into gear while driving, are examples of symptoms. First, check the levels of your transmission fluid. If there's no fluid leak, an internal retainer may be the cause of the issue. This can be fixed by removing the transmission pan and replacing the damaged spring and retainer. We hope you enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed making it. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you did. Press the bell to receive updates on our most recent content. Tell us in a comment what vehicles or top issues you would like to see covered in a next video.